What's going on, guys? Master Coach Aaron Guyette, also Education Director with LivingFit, and we're gonna talk battle rope alternatives. Or a battle rope alternative. So the first alternative that I can think of is, well, there is no alternative. There's nothing that's gonna beat your battle rope, right? But if you don't have a battle rope, can't afford a battle rope, waiting on the shipping of your battle rope, and you've chosen to do some sort of battle rope exercise or some sort of battle rope workout, maybe you're inside of LivingFit and you checked out the Bells and Ropes program or the 10 minutes to transform or something like that, and you're like, hey, I don't have a rope, I've got all these other tools, but I don't have a rope. So something that you can do is you can take either a towel or a sheet, and you can actually do the movements with a towel and a sheet. So what I did, I moved from Northern California to Northern Idaho with my wife. We were doing the 10 Minute to Transform program together, but we hadn't unpacked all of the fitness equipment that we had, and we had to do ropes. So we got the entire family involved. We had some kids, some of our kids using little towels, and then my wife and I, we actually used a sheet. So I'm gonna show you kind of with a moving blanket. I basically just tied a knot with a moving blanket here. You could tie a couple of moving blankets together or a couple of sheets together to make that rope about 50 feet. And then you can anchor this off in the same way that you'd anchor your rope off, right, with that canvas strap and the carabiner. If you don't have that, throw it around, maybe a bedpost or something like that. And then on the end, you grab the other side and you're able to grab the corners of that sheet or the moving blanket, and you're able to then do your alternating waves, your lateral waves, whatever that might be, your outside circles. And it at least provides a little bit of the resistance and a very, very similar feel. It's not the same as a battle rope. It's probably not gonna be as engaging as the battle rope, but it's a great alternative if you do not have a battle rope yet, right? The other thing you could do, people use garden hoses. Just remember, your garden hose will start to break apart and be destroyed from using it like a battle rope, or you could go get like old fire hose or something like that. Again, it's not gonna be the same. Here's a couple of items you don't ever wanna use as a battle rope alternative. No elastic bands, right? It is not going to provide the same effect at all. You are not gonna be able to utilize wave physics in the same way that parallels mechanical physics, because that elasticity is actually gonna create its own source of momentum, its own source of force, and it's an elastic version of it, so it's not gonna be the same at all to a battle rope.